Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this particular tutorial we are going to study the projection of square plane ABCD of 100 mm side having surface inclined 30 degrees to HP and side parallel to HP. Okay, so we'll try to solve this particular problem. Select line, draw XY reference line here. Okay, press escape, select XY reference line, then press escape. Okay, give the command retext in the command box, select any point here. Okay, rotation angle is height is 0.2 and rotation angle is 0. Okay, so this is my X and Y reference plane. This is my basically BP. I am always drawing front view. This is my HP. In HP I am drawing top view, right? And I have already written the names here. Okay, then press escape. So I need to draw the square plane ABCD of 100 mm side having surface plane equal 30 degrees and side parallel to HP. Side parallel to HP means on my left hand side will be a line. Okay, and it will be the true length will be means my true shape will be in the HP and true length will be above XY reference line because side parallel to HP is written here. Okay, so I'm going on the polygon, right? Then it is asking for the sides, so 4, then press enter, then click on the below button on the keyboard, then uh, draw one basically square of 100 mm side. Okay, so you can see this is one AutoCAD unit, that is 100 mm. Okay, so this is basically my true shape. Okay, so I'm giving the dimensions to this true shape to check whether my dimensions are correct or not. So this is my 100 mm, right? And convert this dimension into cyan color. Press escape. Okay, now give the naming. Okay, the text. Okay, select any point on the screen. Okay, and I'm selecting point 1, right, and 0. So you can either select point 2 or point 1 depending upon the complexity of the problem, right? So here I have selected point 1. So this is my point A, right? This is my particular point B because the plane name is given ABCD. This is C, this is my D, and this is my true shape, right? Now I need to draw the projectors. So the projectors will be perpendicular to XY. So I am drawing from this particular point the vertical projection X to XY reference line, right? And from this particular point I am drawing another projectors. Okay, so this is again from this line. So now it is given side parallel to HP means my true length will be above XY line. Okay, so I am selecting this particular point, right, to draw the project at this particular point, right? And from these two particular points I'm going to draw my true length. Okay, so convert this particular projection into cyan color. So these steps you need to follow each and every time. Okay, now I'm giving the naming the text. Okay, here I'm selecting on any of the plane. Okay, and my height 0.1 and 0 rotation angle. So this is basically my A dash B dash. Okay, and this particular point is my C dash D dash. Okay, now I need to draw one projector lines from this particular C dash. Okay, why? Because I need to incline this true lane. Okay, I need to incline this true lane to how much angle? 30 degrees. Okay, so what I can do, Z enter. Okay, so now I'm zooming here, so I'm selecting any one of the point on this projector line, for example say here. Okay, and from this particular line I need to draw a line, but I don't know the dimensions. So what I'm going to do, first of all I'm going to give the dimensions to this my true lane. Okay, so this is also one AutoCAD unit, that is 100 mm. Okay, and from this particular point by giving 30 degree rotation angle, so I am selecting one AutoCAD unit and rotation angle is 30 degree. Okay, so this is basically my true length inclinations. Okay, so just give the point here. Okay, so that I click on snap, right, and I can easily locate my another point, right. And now I'm giving the dimension to this particular line. Okay, so from this particular point, so you can check this is also one AutoCAD unit. Then go to dimensions again, give the angular dimensions. Okay, to check whether this is 30 degree. Okay, so now this is 30 degree. I press escape. Now I need to give the naming. Okay, so the text. Okay, select any point on the plane. Okay, point 1, rotation angle is 0. Right, so this is my A dash, B dash. Okay, this particular point is my C dash and D dash. Okay, and this is basically my true length, right? So you can write it down, there is no issue if you are writing this. Okay, and then draw vertical projectors. Okay, so select ortho here, and from this particular point I'm drawing one vertical projector. One, this is my another point, this is another projector. Okay, draw horizontal projector from this particular line. Okay, and this is again my horizontal projection. So immediately convert this projector line into cyan color. So you might have observed every time in projection of planes we have to follow the same steps. Okay, so I'm intersecting this particular point, so click on O snap is there. Okay, so this is basically my point A, this will be my point B, this will be my point C, and this is my point D, right? Is that clear? Right. Okay, press Ctrl Z. Okay, now draw the line joining this particular four lines. Okay, press escape. So dear student, this is my basically true top view, right? So you can give the command here, the text, pick any point on the screen, point to 1, rotation average. So this is my top view, right? And here this is basically my A1, this is B1, this is my C1, this particular point is my D1. Okay, the text, point on the screen, point to 1, and rotation angle 0. So this is my basically D1. And dear student, this is basically, please check all the true length, true shape, true length inclinations, and top view is in the white color. Okay, if it is not, then your problem statement will be wrong, right? So this is basically the solution for the position of square plane when side parallel to HP. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.